Just lucky.
We are giving everyone that fills out.
We are at our layover in LAX and we're having our brunch. I think it turned out to be a lunch at this point because there's nothing good in the area. This is what we got so far, but it's okay, it will do. We are in Vegas, baby. We made it, guys. We finally checked in. It's almost 4 p.m. Let me do a quick room tour. So this is the bathroom. She's nice and clean. I love that we have this beautiful mirror. And then full-size mirror, one. And another one. Yes, thank you very much. And this is our beautiful room. We have another friend joining us, so it'll be 3 of us in this room. And this is the best part, the view from the 24th floor. Oh, I love it. This is me getting ready for pool because I want to take pictures. Sue me, I don't care. I want to look cute. From the pool, I'm already getting ready for our dinner reservation at Lavo. As I'm doing my hair, let's chit chat a little. We came to Vegas for basically 1 day. I could even say for like 18 hours because we came here in the afternoon and we're leaving tomorrow early in the morning. And this trip is actually so exciting. I've been looking forward to this trip. It's 3 of us. You already met Lisa. She's my content creator friend from New York. And this is our first trip together, and so far it's been going really well, very productive. And we are meeting our 3rd friend, Esther. She's flying in late at night, and she's gonna join us for a road trip to Sedona, guys. This is something I've never done before. Like, I think it's gonna be so beautiful. I'll show you guys. Of course, I'll show you everything. It's just, I am so excited. Imagine like a city covered in all these beautiful red mountains, canyons, caves. I don't know the right word, but it's just, I put word Sedona in my Pinterest and I was like, oh my god, this is giving Dune, this is giving Howdy, this is giving Texas, this is giving everything nice and beautiful. And I've never done a trip like that. So this is my first time going to this type of city actually, and even to Sedona obviously. So I'm extremely pumped right now. When I think about, as a content creator, of course, like I'm all about aesthetics, but it's not only about pictures, it's just, to me, it's form of expression. So when I think about all the photos that we could do, I'm like, oh my god, I can't wait. And for Vegas, we had planned out pool, dinner reservation. We're going to a beautiful show at the Wynn. Even if you're short on time, you should have a little fun in Vegas, so that's what we're doing. So let's get ready for the dinner. Outfit of the night. love the energy here.
Say hi to Lisa's vlog.
Hi. And I got what you need. With this, look at this. It's like a little shower for your hands. Our show starts at 9:30. It's 9:28 right now. It's beautiful. Oh my god. I am officially exhausted. We just came back from the show. It's 11:30 p.m. right now. It was so nice. It was so beautiful. It was seriously breathtaking. I think it was everything. It was magic. It was dancing. It was acrobatics. I don't know how you say it. It was everything. Especially, I loved the special effects because the way they played everything out, for the regular eye, you can't see and it feels like it's magical. I'll try to put the clips here and there because you're not allowed to record. Nonetheless, I'll show you little clips so you get the idea. Anyways, it was amazing. The dinner was okay. We were just rushing a little bit. The reservation was for 7:45. We literally sat down at 8:30, guys. By the way, I'm running on 3 hours of sleep, on 3 hours of airplane sleep. And now I'm feeling it so much. We did try to go to John Summit. It was very last minute, and when I reached out promoters, they were like, we can let you in. However, there are no tables available anymore. And we took it as a sign. Guys, imagine John Summit in Vegas on Friday. I can't do that. Your girl is a VIP section, VIP table girl. So we just took it as a sign and we are staying in because another reason is we have a 7 a.m. breakfast reservation. And second of all, we do have to pick up our car at the airport at 9 a.m. Considering all of that, it makes sense to call it a night. But next time I'm coming back, I really want to go out in Vegas. This is my 4th time in Vegas. And can you imagine, I never partied here. Like party, I've never done that. So next time we're back, we're gonna do that. So on this beautiful note, I'm wishing you guys good night, good day, whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Of course, I was the last one to finish. I'm not even done yet.
Знаешь, что тут разница во времени? Мне нужно...
Our 7:30 a.m. breakfast reservation became a 10:30 reservation, but at least we're here and it's absolutely beautiful. Meet the beautiful girlies. This is Lisa. This is Esther. These are my friends from New York. Hey, we look so beautiful today. Traditional Benedict?
Sure.
Do you happen to have turkey bacon?
We do.
Can I have that?
Instead of the Canadian bacon?
Yes, please.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
I want this avocado toast.
We changed our tables because it was too cold over there.
Please be careful, very half late.
Thank you. It looks yummy. She's having their specialty breakfast. We're already all changed and on our way to pick up our car. And then our road trip to Sedona begins. This is our baby.
Let's go, Sedona.
Кругом голова.
Дождь намочил ее полностью, всю.
One more hour left. Oh my god, this is absolutely beautiful. This is the most cinematic road I've ever been on. This is absolutely crazy, guys. I feel like I'm in a movie right now. The scenery, it changes from everything. We've seen mountains, we've seen trees, we've seen forests. Now it feels like we're in Yosemite. It's actually insane.
You gonna save me? Cause a fistful is just fall asleep.
We'll sometimes see.
Turn up the radio.
Look at the location of our hotel. I can't believe that this is real. This feels like a wallpaper. Guys, I cannot describe with words what I'm seeing right now. This is the moment where I don't believe like this is my real life. Because how am I this lucky? Just look at this. This is so different from everything that I have experienced so far. And I can't believe that this is my life, that this is my reality right now. It's absolutely stunning. Let's see our room, right? Very pretty standard. I think the best part is the view, obviously. Oh my god. Look at this. We finally checked in. How much are you excited? Look at us. This is how we feel. Sedona, guys. Oh my god. Pure joy, pure joy. Now we're getting ready for the dinner. This is the outfit, but I'm still waiting on the steamer. I want to steam my sweater. And these are the girlies. We're almost ready. Girls are ready for dinner. I love how we look. We look so good. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go. This is the most touristic place, and look how dark it is. I love their portion sizes.
This look good for you?
Dinner is not over unless there's dessert. Do you agree, Lisa?
Absolutely. What can be better?
Right?
It's me and Gianna's honeymoon for us, and we brought our kid with us. She's just so tired. She's down with us.
Do you want to go home? You guys like the dinner? How much would you
Dinner
rate
was amazing. It was 11 out of 10. Everything was great except one thing: we should have come earlier to see the view.
it? Yeah, it was pitch dark. What do you think, Esther? How much would you rate it? The dinner? Good. Good? From 1 to 10? 10. 10?
Yeah, it was good.
I agree. It was amazing. What a truly beautiful morning, guys. Cheers. You know, I've traveled a little so far. I've seen a number of cities, but every time Mother Nature beats humankind. I haven't even left the hotel premises and I'm in so much awe. It's absolutely insane here. And today me and the girls have such an exciting day. First things first, if we have time, I would love to hit sauna and jacuzzi, and then we're gonna have breakfast in the hotel. Apparently it was included in the price, we had no idea. Then after that, we have 3-4 viewpoint locations that we wanna visit. So let's start our day 2 in Sedona.
H2O railway.
We look so pretty, ladies. Бедная Эстер. Ты же будешь еще с нами путешествовать, да? Я сейчас подумаю. This is so fashion. Yeah. This is how influencers get dressed for hiking. Exactly. Oh, poor Lisa got stung by a bee. It's so red. Oh my god. Got her some medicine. Esther working on it right now. We stopped by some sort of local market. Oh, that's great. Thank you.
Creating here on the spot. It's a slate. I utilize the natural contour of the natural rock, creating the images of pottery, seed pots, and water carriers. Wow. Paint is done with acrylic paint. My name is Denny. I'm from the Danette Reservation in Northeast Arizona.
Thank you so much. Grabbed our little afternoon pick-me-up and we're on our way to walk around in the city. Cheers!
That's us. Look at this.
It is us! Yay! Thank you so much. This is my favorite one. Look at it. No?
Enjoying your fudge?
Oh my god.
They're so good.
Oh my god.
That's so good. And it's $1 like something.
Saturday night in Sedona. Girls are ready. We are so colorful this evening. We have arrived at our dinner reservation. Okay, I know I showed you a different outfit, all dressy, but what we realized was that we were so close to the sunset, first of all. Second of all, the restaurant is so very casual and we would be so out of place and uncomfortable. That's the most important part. So what we decided instead is to take pictures in the neighborhood of the hotel and just come comfy to the dinner. And I think that was the best decision because my toes were bleeding because of my heels, guys. We literally had to make a stop at the CVS because it was so bad. But anyways, let's have our beautiful, well-deserved dinner.
Oh my god. These are the best nachos I've ever had.
We're done with our dinner to get the vibes going. We want to visit a local bar and see what's up. Look at the alcohol prices. New York could never. That was really good.
The poise, the confidence. It's not about the accuracy.
Okay. Good morning, my beautiful angels from sunny Sedona. The weather is just weathering. Let me stand in the shade. I woke up today at 6 a.m. and I had to start getting ready. We have so much planned out for today. We're already leaving Sedona and we have to check out at 11 a.m. We're getting breakfast right now. We have such an interesting itinerary for today as well. We're doing horse riding. Can you imagine? It's been a long time for me since I've done that, and since Sedona is in the middle of pretty much nowhere, the two closest airports are from Las Vegas and Phoenix, and it made sense for us to fly out from Phoenix because it's a little bit closer. So we're gonna drop our car off there and then fly out to New York. So let's start another beautiful day of this trip. But first, let's hit the outdoor pool. We are getting closer to our horses. Only 5 minutes left.
Taps or kicks on the belly, okay? Ready to go? She's ready to go.
King for a queen. Thank you for the ride, King.
Perfect.
Beautiful. You enjoy your ride?
Yes, he was such a good boy. We just got off of our beautiful horses. The experience was so nice. The scenery is just spectacular. And the only thing is, next time I would love to ride them faster. And we were told that if we want to do that, it should be more of a private tour, up to 3 people max. So that's what I would want to do next time for sure. I used to ride horses in my childhood, so it's been a long time since then. I missed it, so it'll be really nice to do it really fast next time. But if you're ever in Sedona, you should definitely come here. The place is called Trail Horse Adventure. After 3 hours, we made it to Scottsdale, Arizona as our pit stop before heading back to the airport. It's currently 9 p.m. and we are at the Phoenix airport right now. The only thing that's left is to go back home. And from here, we're going straight to the JFK airport. Guys, I am so tired. I am so exhausted, but I feel so happy. And I feel so grateful and so lucky that we did this trip. This was something so out of the ordinary for me, especially. I don't think I've done as much south traveling and I've done as much like nature traveling, you know what I mean? Most of the time when I traveled, I did cities, major cities, and this was something so different for me. And the whole experience, I have no regrets. When you do a road trip, so much depends on your travel buddies. And my travel buddies this time, Esther and Lisa, were amazing. All three were on the same, you know, same wave. We wanted to do the same things. We agreed on stuff, so it was very, very smooth. We had little minor hiccups like Lisa getting stung by a bee, me getting bleeding blisters from my heels, but other than that, it was so great. I had, you know, when you have certain expectations, but everything turned out to be 10 times great. I knew Sedona is beautiful, but I didn't expect it to be this beautiful. Guys, I don't remember the last time I saw stars, honestly. What, over 10 years ago? I saw stars. I saw real stars on the sky. I forgot how they look. The whole city is built in a way, it's a stargazing city, so they don't have any harsh lights or very bright lights. Even the street lights are looking downwards. It's very dimmed, so you could see the stars. Food is amazing. Nature is beautiful. So if you ever get a chance to go to Sedona, please do. It's so beautiful. It's so worth your time. And like I always say, money will always come and come, but you'll never be in your 20s, 30s, or whatever year it is in Sedona or traveling. So please do. And on this beautiful note, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you very, very soon. We don't say goodbye, we say do свидания.